Yeah, good evening, all the traders out there. Are you able to listen my voice loud and clear? The tech checks तो सही दिखा रहे हैं. DT trader, great to see you. So let's start. Before I start, मैं disclaimer read out कर देता हूँ loud and clear. Pardon for my throat. It's a holy effect. So this is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. So, how was your day and how was your Holi? Kaisa raha? The festivities? I think yesterday exchange was closed, but many states are celebrating Holi today. Yeah, but market has played the Holi with the color which is red. So, as a trader, we don't have any choice but to be with the markets. और देखते क्या है the plan. Let's see the trend. See, trend everybody knows right now on the Nifty it's daily. See, अभी कैंडल पैटर्न्स, चार्ट पैटर्न्स, गिवन द करंट वॉलेटिलिटी, इतनी वाइल्ड स्विंग्स आती है तो पैटर्न्स आर जस्ट अ पैनिक डिक्लाइंस. प्रीवियस डेज हाई हमेशा एक रेजिस्टेंस बन जाएगा, हमें खोजना है सपोर्ट. और टेक्निकल स्टडी राइट नाउ अगर हम देखें तो मार्केट इज सो एक्सट्रीमली ओवरबॉट, सॉरी ओवरसोल्ड, कि वो बोलिंगर बैंड के नीचे चल रहा है. I got a message from DT trader says, "Holy good sir, no trade today and Monday." देखिए बहुत बार कैसा होता है, the best risk management is not stop loss, but when you think the volatility is crazy, इतना ज़्यादा गड़बड़ हो रहा है मार्केट में, not taking a trade is also risk management and nothing wrong with it if you didn't take trade for 2 days. So not taking a trade is also risk management. Remember that risk management सिर्फ stop loss ही नहीं है. So what do you think? Fine. Yeah, good afternoon, Sharma ji. So now let's go to the market. जो हमने morning session में देखा था एक channel, I'll not repeat. Those who have missed that, kindly go to the morning sessions and watch it out. तो मार्केट में एक आइलैंड रिवर्सल बना और आइलैंड रिवर्सल्स आर वेरी वेरी पावरफुल और रिवर्सल पैटर्न्स. वी सॉ दैट इन द मॉर्निंग, बट मार्केट हैज नाउ कम टू दिस बेस. So what relevance this base has, we'll have to wait. Even day before yesterday, market came to this base. Utne break nahi kiya, but next day the opening was below that level. So bases are just a reference point to say that till how low the market can go. So once this base breaks karta hai, then market is going to fill this gap. Can you see यहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा gap है. Last time पूरा भरा नहीं था. Looks like market may slide to fill in the gap. The moment this low breaks, जो कि 24,318 हमारा सपोर्ट है, ये टूटते मार्केट 24,300 है और ये 24,100 है. फिर से 200 से 150 पॉइंट का गिरावट दिखेगा. एंड मार्केट इवेंट बेस्ड है, मार्केट वॉलेटाइल है, मार्केट इज रिएक्शनरी फेज है. सो प्राइस एक्शन में वो दिख रहा है. So that's the support level. Once breached, we should see a lower levels. And these are called panic declines with a gap. इसको हम फॉलिंग गैप बोलेंगे और आइलैंड रिवर्सल गैप है. सो दैट्स हाउ द मार्केट्स आर. और ऐसा ओवरसोल्ड मार्केट डेली में व्हेन इट हैपेंड लास्ट, लेट मी चेक इट विद बोलिंगर बैंड्स. मार्केट इज राइट नाउ ट्रेडिंग बिलो द लोअर बोलिंगर बैंड ऑन द डेली. ये एक हाईली ओवरसोल्ड साइन दिखाता है. और अगर वीकली में भी जाए, इट्स ट्रेडिंग बिलो द बैंड. लास्ट टाइम बैंड में हमने देखा था इट फॉर्म्ड अ लो, but that does not mean we have to wait for reversal. So markets जो हम बोलते हैं, it's extremely oversold both on a daily and the weekly time frame. And such close below was, next time it was here, just observe when it closed below that. This was a close below the Bollinger Band. ये मैं weekly chart खोल रहा हूँ, just to show you how oversold markets are. This is below the weekly band. This is also below the weekly band. So most of the times market, this was COVID low, which was a panic decline. So market एक oversold situation में है, but you see a strong downtrend can continue to remain in an oversold zone even for an extended period of time. So we are into that phase. Okay, ऐसा It's not that कि oversold हुआ मतलब market has to reverse. The uncertainty has to go away. ये जो war का माहौल है, जो मिसाइल से गिर रही है, crude shoot up कर रहा, geopolitical risk आ चुका, everything now has to be combined in context of price, and then we'll have to see. So markets are tough to trade, no doubt about it. But one thing is for sure, after declining अगर आप देखो तो market is giving us those bounce or the pullbacks. So drop a line over here, which is today's low is the support. Once it breaks there, then market ka ye gap fill hai. So this gap fill itself is going to be the next support level. So still we have no signs of reversals. Pullbacks will always be sharp. And remember that once market एक one sided अगर नीचे जा रहा है ना market, तो आपको सिर्फ एक चीज करना है रेजिस्टेंस के लिए. Support are known and break of support is also known. Just keep on marking lines at the previous candle's high. Once we have a reversal or a bounce or a pullback, we'll only conclude once market closes above the previous candle's same day's candle's high. आज भी market नीचे तो आया, it did recover. तो हम देख रहे हैं इंट्राडे में एक स्पाइक आएगा. Everybody clear about this? और अगर हम देखने जाए तो मीडियम टर्म में क्या हुआ? मीडियम टर्म में nothing has happened. We were in this range, we are now at the lower end of the range. But having said that we are at the lower end of the range, this lower end of the range अगर टूट जाता है तो we are now going to see a medium term decline. So इसका आपको ध्यान रखना है कि a push below this is going to disturb the whole structure and open a more downside backed by geopolitical or uncertainty. And this will extend. There is कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि कल वॉर खत्म हो जाएगा. So this will continue, volatility will continue, uncertainty will remain. So as a trader, you have to be either doing option strategies which are hedged or with very strict stop loss. रोज का रोज सौदा खत्म कर डालो, other than long term investors. But these sessions are for traders. और पैटर्न यहाँ पे कोई बन नहीं रहा, इज जस्ट अ गैप गैप एंड गैप. जो ये चैनल था, इट हैज क्लियरली ब्रीच दिस चैनल. तो इफ आई डबल दिस चैनल फ्रॉम दिस लो नाउ, सो अभी हम ये चैनल फॉलो करेंगे. एवरीबडी क्लियर? So channels you'll get at every stage. It's very important for you to know which high and low you should mark with the channel. I'll again repeat. So ये जो 2 दिन की spike आई, in that spike, now I'm taking this high and this low and creating a new channel. Everybody now clear what's the new channel which we are trading? And the midline of the channel is around 24,600. अभी हम यहाँ से till we don't see any solid signs of pullback, bounce or reversals, we are going to follow this channel. Or ultimately it looks it's likely to hit this channel. See, this is what we call a reverse channel. मैं लिख देता हूँ. Reverse channel is generally you draw a channel by marking the lows. Reverse channel is you draw the channel, पहले आप high mark करो, फिर parallel extend करो. This is called a reverse channel. Everybody clear what's a reverse channel? Give me either a yes or a no. Nanavati ji says yes, Sharma ji says yes, Deity yes. So this reverse channel itself is showing that if till we don't see any signs of reversals, 23,800 is what the markets are likely to are showing on the downside. Understand the pressure points. Break of support is the next lows are coming. So the moment I think it will close at a cusp of a support. So that's Nifty, highly oversold in a downtrend. And till now, no signs of reversals. All you have to do is drop a line at the recent high. And how to trade such a choppy markets, if you ask me, you are seeing those bounce or a pullbacks. Now let me go to the 5 minutes charts. ऐसा नहीं है कि market one-sided नीचे जा रहा. Can you see? Yesterday it gave us this bounce. Today also it gave us this pullback. If you want to capture such smaller moves, so we have those sessions. If you go to our YouTube channel, I'll just take you there. See, for these things on a 5-15 minutes, you have to be alert with a system in place to take advantage of those pullback. So the sessions which I have done was more than 2 hours, so divided into two parts. तो मैं आपको first hour की link भेज रहा हूँ. Make sure you go through it, which is called scalping techniques. Everybody aware of what's the scalping techniques? So this is किधर चला गया recording? Yeah, scalping techniques for expiry day, but since we did it, it's relevant for all trading days. So I'll just give you the link. Thoda time spend karo. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer you tomorrow evening in the sessions. And this is what the sessions you should watch out for. इस पे आप multiple time frame लगा लो. That's all. Fine. So have you all received the link? Give me a yes. So I've done full 1 hour on that. Let me वो add आ रही थी, so you'll get the add link. So now let me give you the correct one. That. So that was Nifty. Still further declines left till we don't see any signs of reversal. And these things you can capture it through the system which I have explained you in detail. So from here, let's go to Bank Nifty. अगर बैंक निफ्टी में हम देखें तो 50 डीए में आज बैंक निफ्टी ने कन्विंसिंगली तोड़ा. लेट्स गो एंड चेक इट आउट. सो 50 डीए में इट हैज ब्रेक. जो एवरेजेस टूटती है ना, तो पुल बैक में वही एवरेजेस सपोर्ट हो जाता है. एंड दैट एवरेज इटसेल्फ टेल्स अस रिवर्सल कब और कहां पे आएगा. मैं जस्ट 50 डाल दे रहा हूं. जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. 50 डीए में मैंने डाल दिया. इट हैज ब्रीच दिस. नाउ बैंक निफ्टी अगर आप देखो तो ये गैप भर दिया उसने. ये गैप हमारा लॉजिकल टारगेट था, इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर. सो बैंक निफ्टी हैज कम एंड क्लोज दिस गैप. और यहाँ पे एक बेस भी है बैंक निफ्टी का. So Bank Nifty today's candle is not showing any reversal, just a green candle because close was higher than the open, but the gaps are intact. So this is Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty पे आप 200 डे पे ध्यान रखो. निफ्टी और सेंसेक्स ने 200 डीए में काफी दिन पहले तोड़ दिया था. अभी बैंक निफ्टी ये लो के आसपास द 200 डीए में जस्ट स्पाइरल्ड अप. और 200 डीए का मतलब है कि अगर ये तोड़ा तो फिर नेक्स्ट लेग ऑफ अ मंदी, और यहाँ से अगर बाउंस या पुल बैक आ सकता है. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, विल वेट फॉर साइंस ऑफ रिवर्सल्स. और कोई भी लो से आप चैनल बना सकती. इफ आई टेक फ्रॉम दिस लो, ये दो लो ज्वाइन किए, तो बैंक निफ्टी काफी एक डिसिसिव लेवल पे. आर यू ऑल एबल टू सी द चैनल? गिव मी अ यस और अ नो फ्रेंड्स. या मुझे ऊपर देखना पड़ता बिकॉज आई हैव टू रीड योर कमेंट्स. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, Indian crazy zone. Okay. So this channel Bank Nifty, keep in mind. And 200 DMA. और ये टूटने के बाद we can see further acceleration or we can see a bounce or a pullback from here. ये लेवल को ध्यान में रखो. And plus, what we saw was VIX, but we always see gold also in these sessions. तो गोल्ड फ्यूचर्स हम MCX में देखते हैं. सो गोल्ड जनरली क्या होता था, अनसर्टेनिटी में गोल्ड और सिल्वर यूज्ड टू गो, बट दिस टाइम सारे एसेट क्लासेस आर अंडर सीवियर सेलिंग प्रेशर. तो गोल्ड भी अगर MCX में इफ वी सी दैट ये अभी बहुत कन्फाइंड है इन अ जोन. एंड इन दिस जोन गोल्ड में ये चैनल बना हुआ है. सो नाउ वी कैन एक्सटेंड दिस चैनल. So at least gold is not cracking like your indices, but gold में you have to be aware of highs and the lows when they are breached. See, gold में हमने देखा था कि जो base and all the bases are support. Earlier this was a base, it took the support. Then we say let's shift the base to here. So अगर हम यहाँ पे base shift करते, तो if you see on this small little dip, gold ने यहाँ पे support लिया था. But at the upper end, there are lots of traders who are stuck in the positions which says it's a resistance. So your entire zone, and this is your resistance in gold. So gold likely to stay upside from here. See, the moment it touched here, remember that. And gold saw a spike on its way down. So gold का सपोर्ट मार्क करके चलो. MCX का प्राइस चार्ट से, और गोल्ड का सपोर्ट बन रहा है 1,61,330 से लेके 1,58,778 तक. ये आपका एक सपोर्ट बैंड बन रहा गोल्ड का. एंड दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस. सो दैट्स यहाँ पे भी मैं एक रिवर्स चैनल ले लेता हूँ. So I'm joining the highs and the lows. And gold is also channelized. Now you are getting it. How to mark a reverse channel? Give me a yes. Because देखिए रिवर्स चैनल बनाना भी एक ट्रेडर के लिए सीखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलवेज आपको क्लासिकल चैनल नहीं मिलेगा. समटाइम्स यू हैव टू give a this thing. Yeah, Sanskrit, I do remember in the morning session you had asked me about the 361. So generally we don't take stock queries, but since you were asking, I'll give you what the technical picture is, which is 360. शर्मा जी, आई लुक एट विक्स 361. नहीं मिल रहा है सर स्टॉक्स में. और कोई नाम है सर इसका 361 का? लेट मी गो टू माय प्लेटफॉर्म. 361. This one? Shankar, this one? Okay. So even if I see over here on the daily charts, I can give you the how it looks like. So 361 also is trading around this base. Just keep a watch on this base, जिसको हम support बोल सकते हैं. And it's in a downtrend, medium term consolidation. This is how your 360 is looking like. Is it okay? Now, since you are coming to the session, you have to do three things. Plot the Bollinger Bands, check the 20 and the 50 DMA and the 200 DMA. ये एक range में, if you see it's just in a range. In the range, it's showing a tendency to test the lower end. Is it okay, Shankar? This is how it looks like, 361. And now, yes, VIX we will be checking. रोज